How you doing? It's Howie here with EcoZapp, and we are going to be talking about the REME Halo LED and the original version. I want to explain what's different between the two. So first of all, what does REME stand for? R-E-M-E. A lot of people don't know that. That's the number one question I ask. It actually stands for Reflective Electromagnetic Energy. Basically, it's a flu shot for your home. So this is the original version of the REME Halo. This is the new version. This is the LED. So I'm going to take it apart here, take a look and see what we've got. I've already have some of the stuff taken apart, but I want to go over the parts of why it works and how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this. This is the REME Halo LED. This is an ozone-free air purifier. It is actually the very first 100% certified ozone-free air purifier by ETL Intertech. So it's designed to cycle on and off with your blower because it is a LED, so it doesn't lose any life when it turns on, turns off. So if you are heating the air, cooling the air, or just moving air around your home with the blower for the HVAC system, this will be on, but it'll shut off when your AC is off, so it's not going to be using any energy. Over here, we have a ceramic catalyst. This is zinc infused. This actually helps produce the hydroperoxides that'll bond the particulates together, taking care of that. And then over here, we have the ionizer. This produces the ions that actually kill the viruses, mold, bacteria, VOCs, smells, odors, you name it, it'll kill it. So this is the newest one on the market, and it is 100%, again, 100% certified ozone-free by ETL Intertech. Let's talk about the original one. This one, they do the exact same thing. The parts are a little bit different on this one. You can see this one uses a UV cell. It's right inside here, and this shield here and the netting here that's actually coated with titanium dioxide and a zinc ion, and those react with the UV. So this one does produce the ions just like this one. Doesn't do it through a generator though. It does it through a UV cell reacting with different types of metals. On this one, you can see this does have the ceramic catalyst as well. It is zinc infused, so it does kill the viruses on surfaces as well. However, you can see it's permanent, it's mounted. You can't pull it out and clean it, so it's going to get less effective over time. This one has a 7-year warranty. This one has a 5-year warranty. This one, the cell gets replaced every 5 years. This one, the cell gets replaced every 2 years. So the differences are, again, LED cell. Why is that important? The LED cell is longer lasting. It doesn't need to be changed every 5 years. The LED cell is actually what helps get the catalyst moving throughout your system. This one, LED, this one, UV. Both of these do. They both kill everything. They kill viruses, mold, bacteria, growth, VOCs, odors. So whatever you may be cooking, if you're cooking bacon in your home, you can clear it up within about an hour. So you've got the ceramic catalyst that's removable and cleanable, and you have the permanent catalyst on this one that is not removable or cleanable. So why are those important? Those are the things that produce the hydroperoxides that actually bond the particulates together. And what does that do? Why is that important? Ultimately, it's going to pull more particulates out of the air and make your filter a whole heck of a lot more useful, and it won't be gray. Once you clean it out, it will be nice and white like this for a longer period of time. All right, so we've gone over technical, we've gone over the summary of why these are both the same and why they work. However, these, I always like to say, they're not a do-it-yourself kind of thing. They're not terribly hard for a licensed contractor. However, most licensed contractors sell these things for well over $1,000, and it's just something that we believe it's a flu shot for your home. There's been tests that have proven that if you have the flu and you sneeze, 99% of those germs are killed within 3 feet. These are a perfect application for a number of different things. You can use them in your home. You can use them in a retirement home, a preschool. Personally, if I had a little kid, I would not take them to a preschool that didn't have one. The public school system. These are actually proven to reduce absenteeism. Hotels, cruise ships, hospitals already use them. And any place where you have a population with a reduced immune system, these are absolutely ideal. I could go on, but the point is, these are good for everybody. This is the simplest thing you can do to make your home and your indoor environment environment much, much better, much, much cleaner, and much, much safer for you, your family, and your pets. So if you're the type of person, kind of like me, that likes to use hand sanitizer, make sure that my hands are nice and clean and it's killed everything that I've touched, this does the same thing for your air and surfaces. It's a whole home air and surface sanitizer.